Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to Driving with John Chow. You won't see her, but Sally is with me right now. You could, yeah, there she is. Say hi to Sally. Yeah. We have just finished Cars and Coffee, and right now we are on our way to Irvine, California to Furbaco for the .com lunch. It is Saturday, and that means it's .com lunch day. While it is Saturday, you actually may not get this driving video until afterward, because you may have saw in the previous video, I batch all my work. In other words, I do multiple videos all at once because I'm in the video groove right now. And by batching it all at once, I save stress, I produce a whole bunch of videos, and I time them for the future, so I don't have to worry about it for the next few days about, oh my God, I got nothing to talk about. Yeah. Anyway, I want to use this video to do a follow-up from a previous video about why you cannot make money with affiliate marketing, or why the average affiliate cannot make money from affiliate marketing. And that is the main reason being that most average affiliate marketers are spending money on marketing to send traffic to the advertiser's landing page, and instead of capturing them, so they're using all the money to give the customer to somebody else when you need to be building your own customer base. And in the last video, I talked about why you need to do that, because if you don't do that, your odds of surviving are very, very slim. No business, I'm serious here, no business can survive without repeat customer. It's just not done, not in real life. So the question is, how do you go about capturing the lead, capturing the customer, and so you can benefit from the repeat customer thing? Well, the first is pretty obvious. Instead of sending your leads, instead of sending the click to the advertiser's page, or like Amazon or ClickBank, or instead of sending directly to them, send it to a doorway page, they call it. I think it's called a doorway page. You send it to a page that you created to capture the email address. So in other words, you send it to a landing page, and I guess the best way to do this is to create it with ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or any of the landing page creation software. So you create a page, your own page, that will go to the that will go to your page. Ask them to opt in, and once they opt in and they click, you can then send them to the advertiser's landing page, and that way you have the customer, your advertiser may have the customer as well. If they buy, yes, they do, but the key is now you have the customer, and you can then email that customer over and over again to make them additional offer. Whereas before, if you send them directly to the advertiser's page, like send them directly to Amazon, and you didn't capture their information, you have no way of contacting that person again, and you would have spent your dollar a click or whatever it is that you spent potentially for nothing. If they didn't buy anything, then that's it. That's a wasted dollar, right? But if you spent the dollar and you send them to the landing page, your landing page first, they opt in, then you send them to the advertiser page. At least you got them. You can email them again, and that email them again doesn't cost you anything. So, in other words, instead of you're paying $1 to get an email address in this case, which I'd rather pay $1 to get an email address than $1 to send it to an advertiser, because one will make you money, one won't. All right? So you basically need two tools. The first tool is you need a landing page creation software. I personally use ClickFunnels, but you can use any landing page creation software you want. Lead Pages, there's a whole bunch of other ones, but look them up. But I use ClickFunnels. That's what I recommend. I did a webinar with Russell Brunson, ClickFunnels founder. So I'll leave the link to the webinar down below this video, so you can click on it and check out the webinar. We made a great offer at the end for you to get ClickFunnels at a very, very special price. So do check it out. The other tool you need is basically you need a email list software or email list service, and the one I use for that is Aweber. Aweber, I've been using them for like over 10 years. Never had a complaint with them. Fantastic for gave to the spam filter, lots and lots of feature, and ideally really shoot it for blogger. They actually cater to the blogging market, so that's why I started with them. But since then they've expanded to a whole bunch of other niches. So they're good for internet marketer, they're good for all types of business. Totally recommend them. I'll have the link to Aweber down below as well. The first month is free, doesn't cost you anything. It's $0, and it's the full package. There's nothing limited in it. You get the full, what I get, what you get, and you get the first month for free. After the first month, you can decide if you like it, you keep it, 19 bucks a month. Don't like it, cancel it, owe nothing. So pretty straightforward, allows you a 30-day free test, so to speak. But once you have those two tools, then you can set it up so you are building your own business. You're building up your customer base. Aweber captures the lead. ClickFunnels creates the pre-landing page before you send off to the advertiser. So they come to your landing page, you capture them to Aweber. After they click, you send them off to the advertiser. If they buy from the advertiser, bonus. If they don't, your Aweber autoresponder, contact them again, make them additional offer. That is the correct way to do affiliate marketing. It is more complex, it takes more work, it takes more money because you have two pieces of additional software you get to use, but it is the only model, the only affiliate marketing model that I know that actually makes profit. The hit and run model, buy traffic, send to a landing page, you will not make money from it. Rarely, rarely, rarely. I have case studies after case study of showing people for a little while they're making money, but then they don't make money. Actually, in the next driving episode, I'll explain why you cannot make money with that model. Even in the beginning, if you're making money, you will be losing money. And in the next driving episode, I'll explain why that is the case. But for now, yeah, this is for this episode, and this is how you build your own customer base and how you capture them. So you are building a business with repeat customer, and which is the only way you can actually make money in this business. All right, so that's it. Give me a thumbs up if you like that message. Like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and Sally and I will see you on the next episode.